In this tutorial I will teach you how to change your YouTube banner on mobile phone. This works on Android and iOS devices. Nowadays YouTube don't allow us to change channel art cover photo from YouTube app, so we have used any browser app which allow us to use website as desktop view. Almost any browser app allow to view website as desktop view. Here we are going to use Chrome app. You can use any browser app, but on my view Chrome is good. First open Chrome app on your mobile phone. Go to youtube.com. You need to be logged in. I have already done that. Now simply tap on three dots on right side. And then tap on desktop site. This means we need to change mobile view to desktop view so we can change YouTube channel background photo. Tap on profile image, top right corner. Tap on your channel. Tap on customize channel. Tap on branding. Now tap upload and select your photo from your device. Adjust it and tap done. Click publish. This is how to change or upload YouTube banner on mobile phone.